A canopy of large oak trees line the winding entrance to Dawes Lake Estates and welcomes one and all to one of the area's most elegant and sought-after neighborhoods. Turn onto Stillwood Court and this impressive brick home signals a warm greeting beginning at the curb. The gleaming leaded glass front door welcomes visitors. Greet guests in the open, spacious marble-tiled foyer. This is a very open floor plan home with the dining room open to the great room that flows seamlessly into the kitchen and breakfast area. If dinner is ready, the dining room is to the right of the foyer where festive meals will be lingered over and enjoyed.